Okay, this would be video number 3. So we're going to factor out 3 by 1. So again, freeze the video and do it. Okay, so welcome back. We're going to group the first 3 of each. So this would be x plus 3, x plus 3, which is x plus 3 squared. So difference of squares, x plus 3 plus y squared, x plus 3 minus y squared. And this one, group the first 3, would be x minus 5, x minus 5, minus y to the 10th. So it'd be x minus 5 squared, minus y to the 10th. So it'd be x minus 5 plus y to the 5th. X minus 5 minus y to the 5th. So, 2 by 2. Group the first 2, last 2, do GCF of each grouping. So, factor out x is 6. Here, factor out is 7. Oh my goodness, x plus 1 is common to both. I'm going to have to get me a drink of water. My voice is starting to go out. Mercy. Here, factor out of x to the 8th. You'd have x minus 7. Factor out of 3. You'd have, well, my goodness, x minus 7. Who would have guessed? So we factor out of x minus 7. Ta-da! Okay, factor completely. Remember the steps. First step of factoring completely is factor out GCF. Second step is determine what type of polynomial it is and then go from there. Then the last step is try to factor again. So do the first, go ahead and do this first 6. Freeze the video, do the first 6, and then bring me back. Okay, so factor out of x. Oh my goodness, that's a difference of squares. So it'd be x plus 2, x minus 2. Here, factor out, it's 2x. So it'd be x cubed minus 8. Oh, that's the difference of cubes. So it'd be 2x, x minus 2, x squared plus 2x plus 4. This one, factor out GCF. Don't forget, that's the first step. So then factor this up, x minus 1, x minus 1. So it'd be 3x minus 1 squared. Now, I actually have a 7th one. So freeze the video, try that one, and then bring me back. Okay, so here, let's group 2 by 2. It sure does not look like a 3 by 1. I don't see any minus squares. So this would be x to the 5th, x squared minus 1, plus 3, x squared minus 1. Oh, the common term is x squared minus 1. Oh, wait, x squared minus 1 is the difference of squares. So it'd be x to the 5th plus 3, x plus 1, x minus 1. Factor out an x. Then what do you multiply to get 20, but you add to get 9? How about 5 and 4? Oops. Now this one, GCF is 1. So you go on, it's a difference of squares. So x squared plus 4, x squared minus 4. But wait a minute. That's the difference of squares, so I can factor it again. There is no sum of squares. People try to factor that, but no. So to be plus 2, x minus 2, and then we're done. Highest power is 1. You are done. This one. So the only way to get x squared FOILing is if you have x squared. So this would be x squared. Factors of 4 that add up to 5, add because the last term's plus, would be 4 and 1. Then we can factor this up. X plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1. Now I have to caution you. Do you notice none of these we are solving? Because there's no equals. So you're done when you factor. Okay, my peeps, one more video to go.